In the hospitality industry, guest comfort and satisfaction are paramount. The AirHealth Wi-Fi air quality sensor for hotels is a revolutionary tool designed to enhance the guest experience by ensuring optimal air quality in every room. This sensor goes beyond traditional monitoring, offering a comprehensive solution that integrates with room service and guest feedback to create a superior stay. The AirHealth sensor provides continuous monitoring of air quality, tracking factors such as particulate matter, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and humidity levels. This real-time data allows hotels to respond immediately to any issues, ensuring that guests are always breathing clean, fresh air. Integration with room service is a standout feature of the AirHealth sensor. When it detects less than ideal air quality, it can trigger automatic requests for housekeeping or maintenance, ensuring that the room is promptly attended to without any guest inconvenience. This seamless integration between air quality monitoring and room service enhances operational efficiency and guest satisfaction. Moreover, the sensor plays a role in guest feedback analysis. By correlating air quality data with guest reviews, hotels can gain valuable insights into how air quality affects guest comfort and satisfaction. This data-driven approach enables hotels to make informed decisions about their HVAC systems and overall air quality management, leading to continuous improvement in the guest experience. For hotels looking to elevate their standards and ensure that guest comfort is never compromised, the AirHealth Wi-Fi air quality sensor is an essential investment. It represents a commitment to excellence in hospitality, where every breath of air contributes to the overall guest experience. To learn more about how the AirHealth sensor can transform your hotel's approach to air quality and guest satisfaction, please contact me. You can find my email on my page, and I'll be happy to provide you with all the details, responding to your inquiry within 24 hours. Let's breathe new life into the guest experience with AirHealth.